Hello and welcome to the ride. I'm biking right now, so if you hear some wind or traffic, that's all part of it. And today I want to talk about something huge in our industry: AI and automation. There's a lot of hype, people saying AI will replace engineers or PLCs will become obsolete. But the real story is way more practical. Companies like Siemens, Rockwell, and others are already putting AI into their engineering tools, not to replace us, but to make coding, troubleshooting, and optimization a lot faster. So let's break it down. Let's start with Siemens because they've gone big on this. They launched something called the Industrial Copilot, a generative AI assistant built right into TIA Portal. It has three layers. The first one is Engineering Copilot. Helps you generate PLC code, HMI screens, and documentation with natural language. You can literally write, SCL code for a conveyor with certain conditions, and it gives you a first draft. The second one is Operations Copilot. That is for technicians and operators. You can type questions like, why did line 2 stop? And it analyzes logs, manuals, and error codes to suggest causes and fixes. The third one is Maintenance Copilot. This is more predictive. It looks at sensor data, vibration patterns, and temperature, and can suggest maintenance before breakdowns happen. This isn't just Siemens showing off. Real factories are using it. At Siemens Electronics factory in Germany, operators already use AI to get real-time troubleshooting tips. And companies like Tyson Group are already using Copilot for designing inspection machines. What's interesting is that Siemens is scaling this fast. Over 100 customer sites in Europe and the US are already on it. They even partner with Microsoft to run AI locally or in the cloud. So companies can keep data secure. Now let's switch gears to Rockwell. They're rolling out Factory Talk Design Studio Copilot inside Studio 5000. Imagine you're staring at ladder logic and need to add an alarm. Just type, create an alarm for motor overload at 85 degrees, and boom, it generates the blocks, tags, and descriptions. It also explains inherited code. You know that nightmare project and get handed where nothing is documented, right? Now you can ask the Copilot what's a routine does, and it will walk you through it. Then there is a Factory Talk LogixAI. That's basically edge AI built into compact Logix PLCs. It uses machine learning to detect anomalies in real time. For example, on a filling line, it can predict when fill levels will drift before they actually cause defects. And it's all emulated first in Logix Echo so you can test before deployment. So Rockwell is hitting both sides, AI for engineers during design and AI running live inside PLC environments to optimize production. Siemens and Rockwell are leading, but they're not alone. Schneider is experimenting with AI-powered engineering optimization. Mitsubishi is using AI for predictive maintenance and robotics. And ABB is testing AI-driven analytics in process control. So the trend is clear. AI isn't replacing PLCs, it's embedding itself into the environments we already use. Before we discuss what beginners should do, if you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We will have a playlist for AI, and this is just the start of it. So subscribe to don't lose any of the future videos. Now, if you're just starting out in control engineering, this might sound overwhelming, but here's how you can think about it. Learn fundamentals first. AI won't help you if you don't understand ladder logic, I/O mapping, and safety basics, and basically different programming languages and the concepts. Get data minded. Every AI tool feeds on structured PLC tags and logs. If you can design clean data flows, you're future-proof. Experiment with prompts. Even if you don't have access to Industrial Copilot or Rockwell Copilot, follow demos. Learn how engineers phrase prompts because prompt engineering will become part of our future job. Don't fear AI. It's not replacing engineers, it's amplifying them. Think of it like a junior assistant that speeds up the boring stuff while you focus on solving real problems. So here's the takeaway. Siemens is putting AI into your portal, Rockwell is doing it in Studio 5000, and more companies are following. AI can help to some extent. It predicts failure, explains code, generates logic, but it doesn't replace solid engineering fundamentals. The winners will be the engineers who know the basics and know how to use these new AI tools. And that's where the future of automation is heading. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.